Good morning, Rayfield. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to talk about our cooking class. We have some items here that's going to help us with our class, and these are our items that we're going to use to prepare for cooking. So as you can see, I have these items at my desk, which is my learning desk, as I call it. And since today is Tuesday, the items that I have on my desk today are items that I will use for the cooking class. So, first of all, I have on my cooking regalia, which is my robe. I'm trying to see how to turn the camera around. Oh, can't do that yet, so maybe later on in the video I can do that. I just chose some very simple items for the cooking class. I first chose some gloves because you know it's important for us to cover our hands and to do proper hand washing for cooking. So I have my gloves here. Out of the box. I chose some utensils. I have a couple of wooden utensils. 2 wooden. I have some items that will help me to do measurement. I have some measuring spoons. And I have a whole bundle here that I got from the Dollar Tree because you never know what measurements you're going to have to put in whatever your cooking item is. And then I got some plastic utensils also. I like plastic. Seems like it's a little bit easier for me to use. I also got some plastic plates. Plastic plate. When I finish, I got my mitt to take things out of the oven with. And then I got some utensils to eat with after it's over. Share with other folks, just a few. I'm going to keep at my desk. And then I got my plastic bowl. I like plastic. And I like pink also because I'm a girl. So whenever I choose something, I choose it in plastic so that if I drop it, it doesn't break. Here are my plastic cups. And I know those cups are mine because they are pink. And there is my cup. That's just my coffee cup. But notice, it's also pink. So I know it belongs to me. So in my house, if it's pink, it normally belongs to me because I'm the girl. All right, so I chose 2 other items that had to do a little bit with preparation of food. These items that are on the table are items that we need just to get ready for class. But these 2 items are for preparation of food. I just chose some salt and pepper, and I got that from the dollar store also. And I chose some cooking spray, and I got that from the dollar store. And just thinking of whatever it is that we're going to do for cooking class today, I might be able to use those 2 items. Now, moving forward, we may be able to choose some things that are a little bit more specific because we will know exactly what we're cooking. But since we don't know what we're cooking yet today, we were not very specific. The other 2 items that I have are my hat for the class and my apron. Very important. I'm taking it off because for some reason today I can't turn the camera around. So there's my apron for the cooking class. Oh, and it fell down. So I have those items with me. I have my hat, I have my apron, I have my glove, I have a few plates. Remember I said they're plastic. I have plastic fork and spoons. I have my plastic bowl. I have my 2 plastic cups, my regular drinking cup, some cooking spray, some salt and pepper, my utensils so that I can do the measurements if I need to. 2 wooden utensils, and my plastic utensils, and finally my gloves. Now, I'm going to add to this video next week when we get ready to do our cooking class and see if we can come up with some more specific items for the cooking class. Have a great day, Rayfield. It's cooking day.